Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode or landscape mode, whichever one is preferably to you. After that, you walk in, look at me there, then you can lie down. After some few seconds, you take your hand up as if you are expecting a heavy load, imaginary, okay? Then you carry the load, you do as if you are carrying the load for a few seconds. Then after this now, then you do as if you throw the load out, all right? You throw the heavy object out. Then you can now stand up, you go to the other side of the mat, you are breathing fast, now someone who is coming from a heavy load carrying. Then you come and do as if you kick the heavy object, all right? Then after that you walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on it and locate volume, guys. Click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Locate where you want the video to start from. Locate where from here. We are going to be clicking it to make a split. Delete this first part, we don't need it again. Click on overlay, add overlay, locate your rock, then you import your rock to workspace, all right? So at this point, locate the part of the rock you want to use. From here, I am going to be clicking to make a split, all right? Then you adjust it, now come back, make another split now. Click on this one and delete, click on this one and delete, click on this one, bring it to the middle and look for freeze. Now you freeze it, look at freeze it, click on this one and delete it, click on this one and delete it, click on this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then you come back and click on it, then you drag it to cover the video. Then after doing that, now you come back, you go and look for remove BG, okay? Locate remove BG, click on remove BG, chroma key, then you drag it, you mark on that good and go back. You still click it again now, click it, go and look for adjust, guys. Locate adjust, click on adjust now, locate HSL, you click on it, mark green, reduce saturation to 100, then you click on that good and go back. After that, you expound your rock, then you take it up. After adjusting it, take it out of the scene completely, drag it up, all right? After you adjusting it, then you drag it up. After dragging it up now, you come and add your keyframe, all right? Add your keyframe, then you adjust the video to where your hand come ahead. From this point, you drag the video to the point of your hand, drag the rock to the point of your hand, drag it to the point of your hand. Now let us see how it look. Let's see how it look. This is good, the rock is coming, then bam, your hand. Then after that, you allow it to play. Carry that rock there, that rock should remain in your hand. Just carry it, carry the rock to the point where you threw the rock out, all right? Just keep carrying the rock. Immediately this point now, click on the video, you split it here, add your keyframe again, add your keyframe, then you adjust it. Immediately you throw it out, drag this rock down, drag it down here. Then let us see how it looks. Good, this is good. Then you still allow the video to play. After watching it and see that it's good, allow the video to play. Now you've stood up, look at you there breathing fast. Now you are just coming from heavy load carrier. Then now as you want to kick it, you click on the green screen and make a split, all right? Add your keyframe again, adjust it, immediately you kick, then you drag that stone out, drag it out from the up. Thank you, drag it out. After that, let's see how it look. Good, this is nice. Then you allow it to play. As you are going out now, we are going to be removing the unwanted parts. Then you click on that, make a split, click on this one, make a split, delete the two, they are not useful to us again. Then you go and play it from the beginning to know whether there is an error. If there is an error, you take time and correct it. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm sure and I'm convinced that this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect as the case may be. After that, you export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your sound effect and the rest. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. Okay, now what will be remaining is to export this video. Then you click on export now and export this video to your gallery. it's exporting. All you need to do is a size patient, alright? Even it's as exporting. Now this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles, alright? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, alright? Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? And don't forget, in case you need that green screen rock, don't hesitate to DM me. I will send it to you, okay? See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.